Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm excited to share with you my bag review for the special bag that I really been obsessed with this summer, and it's the dupe of the Chanel 19 bag, and it's right here in the ivory or white, let's just say, but this is actually off-white. So this bag, I literally, if it's like the bag that I've been using for this summer, this is my go-to bag. Just because every single day that I have an errand, or yeah, every day that I have an errand, this is the bag that I bring. Now, I don't like I don't like really change the bag, especially if there's a lot of stuff that I have already there. And then when I need to go out, when I need to buy some groceries or some stuff like that, this is my go-to so far this summer. I do change from time to time, especially if like I'm going on Sundays, I'm going like on other special occasions. But if it still matches my outfit, then I still go to it. This bag has been such a great find and such a great gift to me because it's so useful in so many ways and it packs a punch. So I'm going to show them all to you guys right now. So as you can see here, this is my bag and it has a zipper, and I will link it where I got this from. And luckily it's because I do add cart, and then my hubby just chooses there whatever he wants to surprise me with if he's going to get it. And like I said, I'm not gonna get any bag unless it's gifted to me. So yes, I didn't get this bag, so he gave it to me, so I'm really happy about it. So it has a zipper pocket right here, and then it's just a red or a maroon hole. I do put silica gels in all of my bags. And oh, there's a 5 pesos there. So see, I love using this. I keep using it. So sometimes there's like changes there. So this bag has a zipper, which is great and very secure. And then aside from that, it has the flap. So it's like that. So you could actually hide the zipper also, especially if it kind of looks tacky. So if it's like that, see, it looks nice already. And then you just turn it like that with a turn lock key. So the difference between this and the actual Chanel 19 is it doesn't have a back pocket, and if I'm not mistaken, the chain there is actually thicker than this one, but I'm actually really happy with this. And the turn lock, of course, it's not the CC, and it doesn't actually have a zipper pocket. So the Chanel 19 doesn't really have a zipper pocket or a zipper, but this one does, so I'm happy with that one. So now let's see what fits in my bag. So I'm going to show you first the usual things that I bring or that I put in my Chanel 19 or in my everyday bag. So first, of course, evidently, it's my wallet. So this is my wallet. It's just a basic wallet. I love it actually because it fits everything, the cards that I need, my bills. It doesn't fit coins, but I don't really like putting coins in my wallet. I just like putting them in like a separate one so I can easily like get coins if I need them. So this one, it fits easily in my bag. Depends if I want to put it here, but sometimes I put here like bigger bills. Depends if I really need to pay something in cash. So I have like an emergency bill there. And then of course, the phone that I bring, I do usually bring 2 phones because the other one I use with an internet, and then the other one I just use for like if someone needs to call me. Because I don't like, holding my phone when I'm using the internet like in public. That's so easy. So this one is the one that I use for like emergency or for a call. So this is the phone that I use, and I really love this. So it fits easily, and of course there's another space to fit my other phone. And then aside from that, whenever I bring a big bag or when I stay like longer, I sometimes bring this one. This is a pouch where I actually put like emergency makeup. So it's usually an eyeliner, a pen, a really thin lip brush. Depends if I like wanna spread the lip balm. And then of course an eyeliner or eye pencil. And then for like eyebrows if I need to retouch. And this one just in case I want like a darker like eye look, especially if I suddenly go at night and I want to retouch. And the last one is this one, which is my lip balm for this season, which is the okay, this is the rosy pink one. So I use this, I like this always here because I always put it here, but this one is what I use, and it could fit like this emergency makeup. It fits easily on the pouch right there. And then next, I have a hair tie. This is like an emergency hair tie if I don't want my hair down all the time, which is evidently always, because especially right now because it's really really hot in the summer. I usually have this in a bun, but I just really want to look somehow presentable to you guys, so I'm putting my hair down right now. But other than that, aside from bringing like this um rubber type of hair tie, I still bring a black one, just a plain one if I want something myself to look cleaner, to look more posh, and it's not an obvious kind of hair tie. I bring the black one. And then aside from that, since I became like a mom, I actually need a pens most of the time, and sometimes the people I'm with actually needs pens and they don't bring pens, so I started bringing pens in my bag. So usually have two pens, so like this beautiful pink one and then just a normal black one, but they are actually both black pen. Then the next one is, I actually need this in case I have like extra hair that's coming out. I have a hair clip, and then a regular black hair clip, and a really cute one in case I want to like clip my hair like that in a nice kind of clip. Well, it's not cute right now, but maybe like a nice subtle one like that. Yeah, anyway, so it's just like the simple nice clip like that, so it also fits. And usually these ties and clips I put here at the zipper pocket. And then the next one, I love this. I've been addicted to it. It's one of my summer favorites, but it's actually an every year favorite. It's the Kathy Doll in Translucent. It's a film pack powder. So there, see, I've been using it a lot. I love this so much because it actually freshens my face. But if I want to like add a little more coverage, that I want to touch my face up a bit, I actually like this one, which is I it's actually a powder case, but I put here is the Doctor Sensitive in a bit more colored powder, because in case I just want to like touch up with a coverage on it, but only light coverage because I don't really like heavy stuff on my face. So I put that, and I bring also the sponge. And aside from that, I bring the case of a sponge because I actually like washing it every time I use it, just to make sure that I don't really add gunk to my face when I'm already putting like a lot of chemicals or a lot of the powder on my face. So it actually fits there. Sometimes if it's smaller bags, I actually bring just either one. It depends on how long I'm going to be out. So yeah, it depends on which one do I need. And then the last one is my keys. I don't live without it. I need it all the time. So it's just this beautiful Iron Man keychain with all my keys, and a milk tea keychain here that I really love milk tea. So yeah, that's it for like my everyday bag. I know it packs a lot, but that's the great part of this bag. It packs a lot. Like I can bring a lot and it doesn't deform. See, it's still intact. It's beautiful. The weight, they can handle the weight. It really handles the weight. It's nice. I can do crossbody with this, and sometimes I could just hold it like that, which is a really nice kind of edgy look to it compared to the boy bag, because it's still a bit girly, and then but still has that little edge to it with the black charcoal mix chains. So yeah, I really really like this. That's it for fitting what's in here, and honestly this is such a helpful bag. I use it all the time. There's so many things that you could fit here. I could still fit an eco bag here that I fold in case I really do need to go to the groceries, just in case I put an emergency eco bag. It depends. Sometimes I bring the big one, sometimes I bring a small one, but yes, it still fits here. So it's actually really great. It's versatile. I could put it crossbody if I already have a lot of stuff to bring. And so it's evident that you can easily turn also and open it like that, in case you don't want to go to like a place that's not as dangerous, like in the mall. So yeah, it's pretty safe. So I hope you like this video. I hope this is helpful. Try to get this. This comes also in black and brown. I love it. And there's also another link that I will add there that also comes with a small or a large one. I think this is the same as the size of the large one, and the small one is just a bit smaller. So it depends on you guys what you prefer. And yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope this is helpful. I hope you guys like maybe try the bag, because honestly it is worth it. I'm still thinking right now if I'm willing to try the black one in the future, maybe next year, but that one I'm not sure yet, because I still am a person that doesn't really enjoy using a black bag. It's not really an everyday thing to me. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.